Shit. All right, welcome back. It is back. We have Wisconsin winter. Just got my first snowfall. It is about the end of November, not even December yet, and I am stoked. I'll be honest with you, I'm not really adapted that great yet, so I'm just gonna hop right in here, and this is where it's at. Get out here, go get it, get yourself in some uncomfortable, start up your day. Whatever else comes at you after that, I'm sure it'll be a little bit easier for you. Oh my gosh, this is brutal. This is also moving water in the creek, so it's pretty cold. All right, get out there, go get in some water, get yourself cold. It's medicine. Woo! And enjoy it. More than anything else, please enjoy it.